Hi everyone, I'm Pranav Savla. I study in 7th grade in Head Start Educational Academy. Today I'll be showing you how to construct a circumcircle, which is a circle around a triangle. So first I've already got this triangle made, which is an equilateral triangle. And to construct this, I'll be using firstly a stylus. Then I also have my scale, which is 15.5 centimeters and it's covered in tactile markings. I've got a compass which is movable and lockable. So the way I move it is there's a wheel in between, and to make it bigger I turn the wheel forwards, and to make it smaller I turn the wheel backwards, like that. And I've also got pins. I've got a pin. So I'm going to start by bisecting the baseline of this triangle as a perpendicular bisector. To do this, first I'm going to take my compass, place it on the left vertex of the triangle, increase the radius of the compass to half or more than half of the line. Here I've got it to more than half of the line, and I'm going to draw an arc firstly above the line. So I've drawn this arc, and I'm going to draw the same kind of arc below the line as well. So I've drawn these two arcs. Now I'm going to move to the right vertex of the triangle and draw an arc below again, this time cutting the first arc that was below. So you can see the point of intersection, and then I'm going to draw another arc on top, this time cutting the first arc. So I've got 2 points of intersection. I'm just going to mark them. There's the one on the top which I've marked, and the one on the bottom is here. Now I'm going to connect these two with a line. So for this I'm going to take up a pin and put it in the intersection in the bottom. Then I'm going to take my scale. Then I'm going to take the stylus and attach it to the intersection in the top. Then I'm going to take my scale here, and I'm going to draw a line from the top intersection all the way to the bottom. So here I've got my first perpendicular bisector by drawing this line. So it's bisected this first line into half. I put this pin back. Now I'll be bisecting the second line. That's the line to the left of the baseline. So I'm going to turn over my bird here. So I got this line here, and as I did before, with the same radius on the compass, I'm going to place it on the left vertex of this line, cut an arc above, make an arc above, and make one below. So I've got my two arcs here. Now I'm going to cut both of them again. First I keep it on the right vertex, cut the below one, and I'm going to cut the above one as well. So here I've got my intersection. Here's one and here's the other. So there's one on the top here which I'm just here. I've just punched it in and it's become more embossed for me to see. And there's one on the bottom. Now again I'm going to connect these two with a line. So as I did before, I'm going to take a pin, pierce it in the bottom intersection, take my stylus put it in the top intersection here, pick up my scale, and I'm going to draw a line as I did earlier. So now I've got two lines with a point of intersection. This point is called the circumcenter. It's where both the bisected lines that I've made, the lines that I made to bisect, both of them meet. It's here. Just going to darken it up, emboss it. Now I'm going to take my compass, place it there. Now what happens is, from this point all the radius to each vertex is equal, since this is an equilateral triangle. So what I have to do is, I have to take the measurement, I have to take the radius of any of the three vertices because they are equal. And now I'm going to draw a circle. So I start, go up, then I again go back, and I go downward, thus completing my circle. So I can't feel it very well now, but I know that all the three of these vertices fall on the circumference of the circle, thus keeping the circle exactly outside the triangle. So this completes my construction of a circumcircle. Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Aditya.
What is your school's name?
Golden Arts.
Which level do you study? Level?
2. Magnet sticks with hard metal but does not stick with wooden, plastic, paper and cloth. And let's see this.
What is this?
Magnet. Pin. It sticks. Plastic cone does not stick.
First we check.
No. It is not sticking.
This is?
Paper.
Check.
Paper does not stick. Then spoon. The spoon does not stick. Heavy stone. Heavy stone does not keychain. It sticks. Cloth does not stick. Not with hands. Don't touch. It is rice.